Fine. So let me show you how to golem, no, or a mythical creature created alchemy coming from different elements, no. Pag kayo ng design, dapat kayo mag-come up ng idea or let's say lineups visual. So gumamit kayo ng reference. So for me, I'll be using this brush. So instead na gumamit kayo ng mga sample na existing golems, pwede naman kayong yun, pwede yung gamitin as parang anong looks niya, appearance niya. But you can also use some from environments, no? Para magamit nyo siya. So, for example, rock golem, forest, earth, like yung gagawin ko. So, ang pinili kong references, yung mga pictures na nandyan. And then what I would do, no? I'll try to do some line up muna. So, using some of the samples, pwede ko na siyang gamitin. Example, di ba, ang golem, like an earth, rock, it's like uh, asymmetrical shape, no? Pwede kayong mag-sketch. So, using this type of, uh, it's, if it's rock, no, you can make it bulky. So, pwede siyang may head part, pwedeng wala. So, and so, unahin mo natin may head part para mas then, you just do build shape muna. You can just create block. Later, saka na lang kayo kunin niyo muna yung parang pose, no? Make it more parang heavy. So, you increase the torso and dun sa belly niya. So, lalaki siya. Just like sa more heavy type of human, no? You can just sketch that, no? And then, yung sa arm, ganun din. So, pwede yung laki yan. Tapos, kanyang gauntlet part, arm. Tapos, dito, bigyan lang natin ng we can make this part symmetrical or asymmetry dun sa lalaki natin. Parang pareho dun sa and then yung sa hands, pwedeng later we can erase muna. And then we build pag para hindi kayo mahirapan sa proportion, figure niya, just do it as the normal um, human body na. You just make it shortened, build blocks ulit. Yan. Tapos, syempre, when you draw, always don't forget, meron siyang jaw. So, pwede kayong mag-iisip palagi, meron dyan parang and then, you build yung parang, hindi na, kung hindi man siya part na parang human-like, and increase larger and so, babaguhin siya, di ba? Pag sa human, ganyan. You can make it parang malapad, no? Diba? So, in that process, mas madaling so, eto, walang parang eye, say sabihin natin, eye niya, or wala, it's just a rock. What we want is to create a golem that need in this kind of element or forest, human, let's say a witch or so meron lang siyang dapat pinanggagalingan ng source of power or energy like here or pwede eyes, depende. Say, ano ba dito nanggagaling yon add details to it. Now, we have a first sketch. Pwede natin siyang so what we are building right now is lineup. Then second, we can recycle that line natin siyang recycle. Ang gagawin natin sa kanya, ito, tanggalin natin 'tong part na 'to. Kasi gusto natin parang ito na yung mag-serve as head and body merge sa part dito. We can longer, long, o like, then so retain this part of then ito, so maybe kanyang source of life part net, and then we retain it. So gawin na symmetry pa rin, tapos spikes. Tapos dito, gagawin natin, lilitan natin siya. Forward. Gawin lang natin yung position. Para nag-move forward yung kanya. Tapos again natin. Okay, so we have another different look of golem. Size natin. Size. The next natin pa. So, ulit tayo ng bago. Bago to. So, size. Gawin natin mas kakaiba, no? Golem. More some example. Rock formation. Or spikes. Third one. Ito yung ID. sample ng nakakuha tayo ng egg, parang ah, more attached to mm, forest, no? Tree, o limb. Okay, so yun lang naman. So just to give you some ano, and then later, so if you selected already what type yung nagustuhan nyo, you can use again the reference for your coloring, no? Kung magkukulay na kayo dyan, you can put that part, i-ano nyo muna sa kanya, i-apply nyo as flat, then later sa kanya pwedeng i-overpaint na to make it more 3D-like yung design. Okay? So that's it for the building, creating your concept for ano, creating golem concept, no?